My better side here. Yeah, it's a bit good.
Yes, if you do want to film it,
Make our way out. My name's Nick Moriarty. Initially we had to bolt the roof outside. Leo was saying it's from France, but it's been in trees originally. We decided it's not just my idea, it's lots of people's concept of why not try and put this in. It's very safe.
You've got the most sickliest job in the world. It sort of feels, I suppose it feels like being drunk, absolutely extremely drunk, with not being able to control any of your normal sort of bodily functions, thank you, including the one that I've just lost control of. This is genuinely quite terrifying. It just feels so unnatural, really. This is the top level, the third level as it's called, and it just genuinely does feel very, very unnatural and extremely high. Well, here I am at Bounce Below, the newest attraction in North Wales, in Blaenau Festiniog. It's owned by Llechwedd, and it's opened literally 45 minutes ago. And I'm one of the very privileged 100 or so to test out this amazing attraction. And I have to be honest, it is actually one of the most frightening things I think I've ever done. It feels very unnatural. You are trampolining on what has to be the world's largest trampolines, maybe 50 or 60 metres, 100, 150 feet above the ground, in a cavern, underground in North Wales.
Okay, sir. Go!
Inte ni om i vinden, det?
Nej, det är inte något ikväll.
Wow, what an absolutely amazing, stunningly fantastic experience this is.